I know that you use Google every single day, searching for different kinds of things. But did you know that you can earn a lot of money by just searching on Google? In today's video, I will be showing you a website where you can earn a lot of money by just searching on Google. You can do this on your mobile phone or your computer. No matter what device you have, you can still make money with this. This method that I will be showing you is available worldwide. You can do this anywhere you want to. Watch the video until the end because I will be showing you a step-by-step method on how to do this and so that you don't miss out on the important details. But before we start, this is Finance Babe. I'll teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the notification bell. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. The first website that we are going to utilize today is just google.com, but later on I will be showing you the second one. Right now, I want you to just leave Google open and proceed to this website called mindsumo.com. I recommend you to keep watching and take note of all the steps that I'm going to show you so that you can make this work. And also, I will share a simple Google tip that you can utilize to make a lot of money online. As you can see here, this website is partnering with a lot of recognizable companies around the world. You can see here that you can make this amount of money by just doing a simple Google search. How great is that? The first thing that we do on this website is create a free worldwide account by just clicking on this button over here. Since we don't have an account yet, I want you to click on this button over here. Right here on this page is where you're going to enter your basic information like first name, last name, location, email address, and then your password. Select your birth date over here. Select your gender. This section right here is where you're going to rate yourself. Right here, you're going to select creativity skills, marketing skills, and technical skills. I recommend you to select average proficiency or above average. By choosing this option, this will enable you to have higher chances of making more money than anyone else. Lastly, agree to their terms and conditions, and then complete this CAPTCHA and click on the Sign Up button. That's how easy it is to make a free worldwide account on this website. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Once you've logged into your account, you're going to see something like this. You can see here different challenges and questions that you can answer and get paid for doing those tasks. As you notice, they're going to pay you from a couple of hundreds to thousands of dollars every time you complete simple tasks or answer a simple question. That is pretty amazing, right? On this side is where you're going to see a lot of different categories that you can choose from. So don't worry about not getting any tasks to do because they have a lot for everyone. Every single day, there are hundreds of new projects that are posted on this website that you can do. Right now, I'm going to show you the potential earnings that you can get on this website. For example, this one right here, just click on it and scroll down. You can see here the potential earnings that different people around the world get. You can see here the total budget allocated for the project, and you can also see here the number of people that they need to do this task. You can see here, if you get the top answer, then you are going to earn this amount of money. Stay with me here because later on, I'm going to show you a Google tip that you can do in order for you to earn more money utilizing this website. Right now, I want you to go back here and select the category that you want to do. For example, I'm going to select computer science, and you can see here different projects about computer science. For example, let's pick this one right here. You can see here on top that they're going to ask you some questions. This right here is the main question that we need to answer. Then you're going to get a part of the budget as an earning. Pay attention because I will show you the Google tip right now. First, you need to copy the question over here and then go to Google and paste that question on this search bar over here and click on search. There are hundreds and hundreds of answers that you can find on Google right now. You can go to each of these articles over here to try to find if there's an answer for the question that is presented in these articles. For example, this one right here, just directly click on it and right here, you're going to see that this article has some good answers to the question that we have searched for. I want you to copy this article over here and then go back to Google and search for Google Docs and open up this link right here. That will take you to this page where you can select this blank option over here. The thing that we're going to do right now is to edit the answer a little bit so it can be unique. Paste your copied article right here and then go back to Google and find more great answers that you can copy and put on here. The longer your answer, the better. This will help you have a higher chance of earning more money than anyone else. Right now, you can edit this text depending on what you want as long as you keep it clean and professional looking. You can change the text and color on this section over here. Once you've finished editing your answer, you can just download this file directly on your computer by clicking on this button over here and then select on the download option and pick PDF. This will automatically download the file on your computer. Click on the file to open up, and then as you can see, it is very professional looking and it has good content. Most probably this will earn you a lot of money online. The last thing that we're going to do is go back to this website and submit your answers in the hope that you can get a part of this money. You can literally do this in just under 10 minutes. This is very easy and very beginner friendly. I recommend you utilize the other categories so that you can maximize your earnings on this website. To submit your answer, just click on this button over here and directly log into your account. After that, you're good to go. The more questions you answer, the more earnings you can get. That's how you can earn with the method I just showed you. And that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you when I see you.